Hi, I'm Yashuddin from Harvard Extension School. Today I'm going to talk about my CS50P final project. For CS50P final project, I have made a dictionary for Harvard University and also for my personal use case. So now I am going to run the project. Alright, so this is the homepage of our project and here is the search bar. So the search bar is specifically used for searching any word from English language. And here is our registration and login form. So now we are going to discuss a little bit about search bar. So if I write something or some word in English, for example, like. So for searching like, it is given us the details information about likes. For example, what is likes, like nouns, and the
Like,
sound symbol of IPA sound, and the uh,
like,
sound and the symbol of IPA. And also it providing us the definition of this word. And here is the example, synonyms and antonyms of this word. So if I write another word, for example, concentration, all right. So concentration, it providing the details information about this word and also example of this word. So if I mispronounce or write something which is not related to English word, so what kind of outcome it can give us? For example, I'm writing some random things. Okay, that is not a word. So this is it's showing me error message. So now we are going to discuss about a little bit deeply of this application. So for that, we are going to register and log in. So I have the account of this application. So now I am going to log in of these applications. So for logging, I am just trying to log. Yeah, I have successfully logged into this application. So now the important part of this application is topic-wise dictionary, and here is the dashboard of our application. And now we are going to discuss a little bit about of these topics. So what does it mean by that? That means the purpose of these topics so peoples and user can learn topic-wise vocabulary. For example, there are a lot of topics in English language, for example, health, culture, people, sport, so this kind of topics. So if the user want to learn particular vocabulary of these topics, they can learn it from our dictionary very easily. For example, uh, if I click the people's topics, it given us the details information of details peoples. For example, family, adoptive, and here the important feature is that the user can listen British and American accent with the phonemic transcription, and they will see the level of the word. Alright, so that is the topics, so people can learn topic-wise vocabulary. And another feature for developers. So if the developer want to add more information and more topics to develop the dictionary, they can add the topics name and the picture of the topics related. And also they can add what by selecting the topics. For example, if the user want to uh, add topics about peoples or culture or education, they can select the topics and add more information about the word and words information. And finally, when they submit it, the result will be stored in our database. So this was our CS50P final project. Thank you.